Dear friends, today we have the newspaper of 21st January 2025. And the first news is about Golden Age of America begins now. Donald Trump is the president of USA and he is the 47th president of USA. There are two political parties in US. One is Democrat and second one is Republican. Democrat belongs to the people like Joe Biden and Obama, while Republicans, the popular figure of Republican are Donald Trump and like Vivek Ramaswamy, and he is the 47. Second news is about Uttarakhand government clear UGC rules set to be rolled out after local board election. Uttarakhand is the first state that rule out the uniform civil code that is a part of our directive principle of state policy. My dear friend, UCC has been in news for a long time because many consider it as a debatable issue and it's remain to be seen that how government balance this UCC along with the principle of religious freedom and all. Second, in Hyderabad, an exclusive police station for lakes, land, lung species. As we see that in Hyderabad or in the Telangana state, this kind of extortions and the continuous encroachment of lands are going on. To seeing that the government of Telangana make a separate police station to resolve this issue. SC gives government final chance to decide on Rojna Mercy plea. Birla flags House disruptions. Lok Sabha Speaker Om Birla at the All India Presiding Officers Conference in Patna on Monday. Birla expressed concern over the decreasing number of sittings of legislative parties to draft guidelines for maintaining the dignity of the House. Vijay criticized DMK, says party abandons farmers when in power. Actor Vijay recently make his own party and his party make a very sensational news in the starting from as in the first meeting he make a record of gathering and right now he is getting a lot of support in the Tamil Nadu. It's remain to be seen how is a fight election in Tamil Nadu that is going to be happen in upcoming years. Second news is about non-meat products certified as halal. UP raises issues in Supreme Court. Next news is wrong place, wrong time. Hyderabad man so tired in DC wanted to settle in US with parents. Next news is Center allows 10 LMT sugar export for current season. This news is from international politics that looking positively at US role to end war. India can play big role. Head of Ukrainian president's office. We see that recently Donald Trump become the president of US, 47th president of US, and he has the commitment that he will resolve the conflict as soon as he grab the chair of Oval Office. Now this is going to be seen that how he make deal and he is very much considered to uh, ideologically similar or not very much aggressive with Russia. So that make a pressure on Ukraine and in that pressure that kind of statement is coming out. Next news is about clash over Ramakrishna Mission School curfew in Meghalaya village. Next news is about Ambedkar had said if not for B.N. Rao, constitution would have taken 25 more years. SC judge at Brahman convention. Police found 19 fingerprints at safe house to match them with accused. Change in the West will affect our trade. Chief Economist Bank of Baroda Madan Sabnavi on the economic slowdown in country growth prospect in forthcoming quarters and the effect of global geopolitical development. This session was conducted by Hitesh Way, Assistant Editor, Business. Kerala woman gets death sentence for poisoning her friend. Multi-crore scam listing Goa villas that do not exist. Gang con 500 tourists looking to rent properties through portal. Soldier killed in North Kashmir gun battle. Next news is SC pain to see son unable to bury father in village move apex court. Top court granted custody of Taki Atul Subha's son to estranged wife. ASI evacuations in Ratnagiri spotlights ancient Buddhist site its SC Asia link. As it is a historical evacuations, we know that the Buddhism play a significant role as making India's link with the South Asia, and through this India's culture India's culture spread across the world, and it is a positive step that this kind of relics are we get a lot of information from this relics, this statue of Buddha. Annual meet begin in Davos. What is the World Economic Forum getting? As we know that major Indian companies such as TCS, Infosys also be present in Davos. Next news is redefining obesity. A commission of Lancet Journal has proposed expanding the definition of obesity to look beyond BMI and include assessment of organ functioning and physical symptoms associated with obesity. Next news is bail under PMLA. Interpretations by SC of laws on expectations for women. Trust after RG Care. Verdict offers some closure, but case has raised questions that demand more answers. Invitations by cities, state and country. MIS, not MSP. For farmer, minimum income support, not minimum support price is the way forward. Field of the Viksit Bharat. 7 imperative for the Indian agri industries. India stands at the crossroad in modernizing its agriculture practices. By embracing innovations and fostering public-private collaborations, it can become a global leader in sustainable and technological advanced farming. The idea is not to copy-paste solutions that have worked elsewhere in the world, but rather to customize and adapt farming practices based on the Indian agri context. What's afraid of Trump? Apprehensions of disruptions to the global order may be great exaggerations. Rekindling republicanism. Let the Republic Day be about more than going through the motion of Sarkari rituals. From this moment, America's decline is over. Musk to Bezos to Meloni. Tech bosses, far-right leaders, artists attend event. Moment after its creation, Doge Advisory Group attract lawsuits. Truce deal, Israel free 90 Palestinian prisoners. Gaza rescue workers start searching for bodies under rubble. Drill, baby drill. Trump vows to pump, export more oil, lower price. 2 Trump executive orders, 4 years apart, and a reversal of TikTok fortune. Globalization is set to grow at slower pace than the before. CEA Nageswaran. EPFO head office flags concern over delay in finalizing higher price pension case. Despite a hiccup in last quarter, India's growth one of the highest globally. Murthy. Return of speed merchant. Coach Gautam Gambhir with the Mohammad Sami at India's net practice ahead of first T20 against England. Titan meets Young Knights. That's from my side. See you soon. Jai Hind.